Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you? Thank you so much for watching my video every single day, and make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel over here. Today's videos we're going to talk about my current skincare update, and really every product I'm showing you today, like you can find them from Sephora, because I made 2 videos for Sephora VIB already. A lot of you still asking what is my personal skincare ritual beside Yibu Beauty. And so I thought, oh, maybe I should do show you guys the update. And I'm going to show you about 9 different products I'm using right now along with Yibu Beauty, and you can find them on Sephora. And some of them don't have a value set, but at least I want to give you some idea what I'm using right now. Hi, I'm Steve Jan, founder of Yibu Beauty, and these are my sister. We've been together through thick and thin. Nothing comes between us in our family. Just like our bond, the 2 new releases of the Mooncast collections, our Hero Serum and Hero Moisturizer, are the super duo. Nothing will come between your skin and the Yibu superpowers. Speaking about Yibu Beauty, I want you to write this down. Actually, I want you to get your phone now. Do this with me. I need you to get your phone and text Yibu VIP, right here, Yibu VIP, then text to 833-615-4534. 833-615-4534. Yibu Beauty text message, and we will be announced. Are you ready? A very special, entire special for Yibu Beauty for the month of November in the next couple days. So that's the best way to learn what's new and what's exciting and what are the best value at Yibu Beauty. Okay, so let's get today's video started, and I'm going to talk about product and do demo on my face too. Oh my god! There's a lot of product I'm using right now. I have my notes right here, so I'm going to kind of just look over here, so apologize for that, okay? The first thing I want to talk about, cleanser. I use so much cleanser, so ridiculous, because I wash my face every single day, 3 times a day, because I take a shower about twice a day. I like to keep my face clean. I recently found this company. It's called INKEY List, and this is a really budget-friendly skincare. This cleanser is only $9.99. I am not sure if this is part of their sale, but either way, I want to share with you. Absolutely amazing cleanser. It contains salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is a cleanser that the ingredient that actually works on surface of the skin. If you have a normal to oily skin or breakout skin, this is fantastic. I use this every single morning, and this is my 3rd bottle already. Really great. Now, I forgot to mention with you, I am 48 officially, and my skin concerns are anti-aging and breakout, because I still break out, and my breakout usually comes from stress, not because my skin conditions. So those are the ingredients and product I'm looking for. Alright, the second product I want to show is after I wash my face. I'm going to do a demo to show you guys right now too. My favorite toner is by Ren Skincare. This is the glycolic toner. So the difference between salicylic acid and glycolic is like glycolic acid going a little bit deeper. So after I wash my face, I really use a cotton pad to gently wipe away any residue from the cleanser or anything, you know, remain on the surface of my skin. It's really fantastic. And I believe this is my 4th bottle already, and this is selling for $38. And you know what? I'm only sharing the product I'm using right now, and I know at Sephora there's so many deals right here. So instead of me telling you what is the best combination to buy, like for example, this, they may have a gift set, right? I'm going to just let you to figure out what is the best for you. I'm only going to show you what I'm using right now, so if that makes sense. So that I use this. My little tip for this one is that if I have any breakout coming to surface very soon, I will actually place a cotton pad on the breakout area for just 1 minute, really to exfoliate, unclog the pores. So this way the breakout, you know, it will not merge on top, or you know, it will just kind of disappear. So I use this quite a bit. Love this. After this, I definitely use my favorite essence. Even though I don't work for SK2 anymore, but I still use the essence regularly. By far the best essence on the market. And I do know this one, that at Sephora, the best essence you should try is their facial treatment essence, the welcome kit. I think they are $99. $99 is the 2.5 ounce, and you get the toner and the mask for free. If you're already using the essence from SK2, just go ahead buy the largest bottle, because bigger bottle you get more saving you are getting. SK2 essence, why it's so unique, because it contains 90% PITERA. PITERA is a proprietary ingredient from SK2. This ingredient helps to balance and renew the skin, and it's kind of like a energizer battery for your skin. Just when you put this on, just make your skin feel so refreshing, and your skin softer, smoother, brighter, all in one. It is more pricey, but I do believe that, you know, skincare, you need to mix match. Like I'm using $10 cleanser, but I will use $100 essence. So you can mismatch a little bit, definitely. See, already it's a little bit brighter, right? So now there's how do I do that? So I'm gonna just talk about day and night together, but I'm only applying the daytime treatment because I can't put a nighttime treatment in the daytime. That's kind of weird. Okay, so usually after this essence, I use serum, and depends on my concerns and my needs. I have two types of serum I use. The first one I want to show you is by Glow Recipe. It's a Plum. It's the hyaluronic acid serum. This is the 1 ounce selling for $42. And they do have a different value sets, so you can check it out. What I like about this serum is that it comes out like a very gel texture. You can see that. And then their product has a very nice smell. I usually like to use this at nighttime to keep my skin hydrated, especially the weather is getting colder now, so we may turn on the heater. And that, when you turn on the heater, you actually dry out your skin. So hydration is so important. A lot of people may think, oh, at night I want to use anti-aging. You're right, it's better to use anti-aging product at night, but not when you turn on the heater, dry out your skin. The anti-aging will not work, so you actually need to reverse that. Use hydrations. So this is the one I use. For daytime, I actually bought this last year. They have a really great set. Okay, so for the daytime, I love Dior. This one is called Capture Total Super Potent Serum. This one's 1.7 ounce for $120, but right now at Sephora they have a gift set for $132. It is the same size. Let me just double check. Let me see. Hold please. Just want to make sure I say that correctly. Yeah, it is the same size, $120, but you spend $12, then you will get 3 travel size. And this is the 10 ml. It is very small, but it is a glass, so this is fantastic. So why I like this particular serum, hold on. This particular serum, it is all about plump and firm your skin. So I'm going to just show you. It comes out like kind of creamish white treatment. And then watch me just apply this. Anytime you apply treatment that help you plump the skin, instead of doing circulation, you want to just glide towards upward to the ear. I know $120 is a lot of money, but like I say, you know, you need to pick your battle. You know, what is most important to you. So just couple turn like that. Okay. See my skin? It's lifted already. Cheekbones higher. And I like to work from the navifolio line and glide upward like this. It's a really nice texture. And normally I don't like Dior skincare because the fragrance is very strong, but somehow this one is not too bad at all. So just go like this way a couple times. Avoid the eye area. And on the forehead you just go upward like this. So again, this is all about plump and firm the skin. So remember earlier we do a lot of exfoliation from the cleanser, the toner, the essence. Now the serum is about hydration and plump, right? So that we can go in deeper. So you work kind of like that. Oh, so nice. All right. After that, I want to show you my new favorite eye treatment. I actually have never used their product. I mean, I have not used their product for a long time, and I just recently bought their holiday set, and I've been using it. It is the Lancome Génifique Eye. This is pretty cool. I don't like the applicator because the applicator is like that, and then I hate when you put product around the eye and go back in there. But anyway. I just like this cooling roller right here. I use in the morning and just kind of a little bit massage around the eye area. It kind of addresses multiple concern around the eye. So I found that this is really hydrating though. I actually don't even use eye cream over this because it's pretty hydrated for myself already. But if you have a very dry eye area, then you want to use eye cream over it. But I don't. And I forgot to bring here. I do have a Lancome. It's the eye treatment with SPF in there, so I use that sometimes. Even though for that I still get irritation from the sunblock, so I have to be very careful. But I do like the serum though. And this is for $70, and I can tell you right now, Lancome has so many special. You just need to kind of shop around what is the best deal. Alright, so now I want to show you two moisturizer I really do enjoy. They are both from the same company. It's from Fresh, one for day and one for night. And the day one is Youth Preserve Moisturizer with a multi-action super Lotus. And this one is the partner moisturizer for nighttime, also using super Lotus in there. And I'm only gonna let me show you the night one first. Actually, I want to show you both. This is definitely, to me, it's no more for normal to dry skin. So you can see the texture is very, very similar. The day cream is a slightly more like a lotion texture. The night cream is actually feel more watery. It's very interesting to reverse that, but I just like the way they smell, you know, that clean, fresh smell from fresh skincare. So I just take a little bit. I like to put it in my palm, just massage, because I'm worried about aging, so I want everything lift. So after I'm massaging my hand, I just go upward like that. So the moisturizer, the Lotus, the day one is $50. The night one is $52. I just checked now. I don't see the special for both moisturizer right now on their side, but they do have a lot of special on Sephora, so you can check it out. By the way, I do have a normal to dry skin, so everything I'm sure with you is for normal to dry skin. If you have a super oily skin, definitely don't buy the moisturizer I show you, but everything else should be okay. See? And don't forget about your neck. Yeah, so there's one more product I want to share with you. I've been using this product over a year now, and this is my 6th jar already. It's so ridiculous, amazing. I still cannot pronounce the name, but it's a ouai. Somebody help me how to pronounce this. This is their Scalp Body Scrub. Oh my god. Anyone ever tried this before? Let me know. There's a lot of company have similar products, but I found their sugar scrub is so perfect refined, and when I just kind of massage on my wet scalp, it just nicely going to the scalp. It's not hurting my skin, but it creates a nice velvety foam. And on my body, oh my god, I cannot tell you how amazing the smell is. In fact, they have a fragrance smell just like that, but I just like to use this on couple times a week, because it just really made my skin feel so polished, so smooth, so soft. And this is selling for $38. Usually I just buy a couple jars of this because this is something I use all the time. So yeah, these are the 10 items. Wait, 16, 8, 9, items that I'm using right now. So I want to share with you, and you can find all this product at Sephora. And I really hope that you found this helpful. Some of you may ask me that, wait a minute, if you're using this, what about your own skincare, Yibu Beauty? When do you use that? Well, I'll be honest with you, this is the product I use a lot, right? But not every single day. I still use a lot of my own product, but I kind of mismatched it a little bit because, you know, to be a skincare expert, I can't just be tied down to one product and not trying other brand out there. And so that's why. And of course, you know, Sephora is having a big sale right now, so I want to really share with you guys what's happening at Sephora and what the product I'm using you can find for Sephora. And of course, Yibu Beauty is not in Sephora, so I can't talk about that. But I do want to, you know something, in just a few days, Yibu Beauty is going to announce our Black Friday month special. I need you to text Yibu VIP to this phone number right here. Then you will get the latest news right away. Alright, so thank you so much for watching my video today. I really hope that this video help you to determine what full-size product you want to get or value kit. Is all about skincare. And any comment, if you have any product you absolutely love, definitely leave a comment below. Like I always told you guys that my channel platform is not just my opinion, it's all our opinion together. I see more and more people commenting the video that I made. Instead of just saying I love your video, it's more like, oh, I also like this. I love those comments. And you don't even know the comment you made like that also help a lot of people. So please continue to leave the comment. And you know, especially this video is about the skincare product for Sephora. So if you have any product that you like, leave a comment and then we can all kind of check it out too. Alright, thank you so much for watching my video today, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!